Hey, so I have some orange seeds here from an orange, which this has half a seed that's been cut, but there's another seed in here that I'm gonna have to get. But I'm going to be germinating these orange seeds, and I want to try germinating them using the paper towel method. I'm not going to use any soil, strictly paper towel method. And for two of these seeds, I'm going to be taking off the hard shell coating. So I want to see if that makes any difference with the germination rates. So let's see how that goes. All right, so I just treated this seed like a cherry seed and tried to hammer it open and ended up breaking the seed. So this will not work. And this time I just started trying to peel off the coating. So here's the seed without the coating. Let's try this. I'm gonna go ahead and peel all of them. The coating is soft enough to just peel off. So look at that. These are orange seeds without the coating. Huh. And this one. So we only have 3 seeds to work with. I mean, I could get more, but I don't feel like it. And these seeds were straight from the orange. I just wrapped them up in a napkin. Let them dry. And this is where we're at with it. Okay, so I have a damp paper towel here, a plastic bag, and today is August 1st. And I also read on Google that it takes about 7 to 10, I think 7 to 10 days if the seeds are healthy for them to germinate. Otherwise, it could take weeks. My goal is 5 days, 5 to 7 days. Over time, I may add more seeds, but this is what we will start with. And actually, yeah, I might add more seeds. Not to this particular paper towel, but again, we'll see. I'm gonna put some more water on this paper towel. All right. Now we wait. So this is day 2, just checking on the orange seeds. I don't know, it looks like that looks a lot bigger than it was yesterday, so I just want to check to see what they look like. And is this starting to sprout? I don't know. I don't know if this one will do anything. But yeah, we'll definitely, let's keep an eye out on that one. Okay, I just missed day 3, so we're on day 4 now. Why does that look like that? I think that one seed is rotting. All right, let's look at it. Ooh, oh. So this seed, I don't think it's gonna make it. This seed is, it's sprouting. Look, you see it right there. It sprouted. This seed, I don't know. Oh, it's sprouting. But whatever that is just broke off. But look. Wait, is that a sprout? I don't think that's a sprout. But this, I think, is a sprout. See? Don't want to get ahead of myself though. I'll just wrap this back up. Okay, it is now day 6. I meant to check on these yesterday, but I just didn't. I'm excited. I think, yes. Y'all, look at these seeds. I'm gonna have to get a new paper towel. This is just day 6. Wow. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. It's clearly not gonna do anything. Look at that. So I think I'm going to leave these seeds in the paper towel for about another week to see what happens. And then I will, if it develops a leaf, then I will stick them in soil. Or if the roots are long enough without a leaf, I'll go ahead and stick it in soil. Okay, y'all, so it's been a week, and I already have my potting mix of coconut coir, perlite, and shale already prepared in this pot here, because this is what this is what you see when you pull the bag out after a week. So let's see the actual progress here. Look at those roots, they look good. Let's open it up. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to, oh, I think we got some leaves. Oh, whoa. Okay, I don't even, this looks funny. Huh. All right, so there's the leaf on that one. You can bury the paper towel in the pot if you want to. I'm just gonna try to pull it apart. There we go. I'll just leave that. Oh, I don't know if I want to leave that. I'm just scared to break the root, you know? Okay, there we go. All right, so let's see here. This should be, and I'm just gonna lightly cover the top of the leaf so they can just emerge up a little bit. But there we go. So there goes number 1. Let's figure out what is going on here. All right, so these all roots? Those 2 are leaves. So it's been 2 weeks in total. I started this August 1st, and today is August 14th. Oh, I have both seeds. Or no, oh, I think I broke it. Okay. We make it work, I guess. Was this, it looks like 2 leaves, 2 different plants were emerging out of 1 seed. I put 3 in here, or were they stuck together? I don't know, because look, this seed is connect. I don't know what happened, because I don't remember throwing away that other seed. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna do the same. The same thing with this one. I'm gonna pat down the roots and then keep the soil loose on top so it'll be easier for the leaves to emerge. Well, y'all, this was exciting, wasn't it? Yes. I'm excited to see what's gonna come from this, you know? All right, and that's it. So again, I started this on August 1st, and within a week, I think about 5 days, the seeds started to germinate, and then within 2 weeks, this was the progress. I will be keeping these seeds in a shady spot just until the leaves emerge. And I don't think I mentioned it. So to germinate these seeds using the paper towel method and this plastic bag, I did keep these seeds under my bed. So they were in a dark spot. They germinated in a dark area. I don't know if they will germinate in light. Maybe that is another experiment. And these seeds were straight from the fruit. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, and look at this. The leaves have shot up through the potting mix, and they are just looking good, green, and beautiful. I'm excited for what's to come from these orange seedlings. Hopefully, they, develop into trees, but I will keep y'all updated, as they grow or die. I hope they don't die, but as they grow or die, I will let y'all know, and let's just bask in these beauties. Thank you all for watching. Like this video if you haven't already. Leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.